Yeah, we can change it now.
I brought my brother.
Okay.
Guys, you can pay me later. I paid.
Okay, cool. Yeah, my GoPro's not very stable with just my vest. Keeps moving. So I don't know if it's gonna take good shots, to be honest. So I'll probably just take off my vest. As you can see, it's a lot of movement. It's just so unexpected. We're not really trying to plan this. It's just so random, you know. So there's a cave, it's like 500 for the 3 caves, and there's a pricing for 300 for 2 hours going around the caves, going into the cave actually. And apparently there's water in them, so you gotta go walk through the water. I guess it's gonna go steeper, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
That going down was sketchy, you know?
Yeah, without him telling us, you know, when to like refresh the brake, when to go slow.
Check if it's working. Yep, good.
I leave my papers here, I have to remember them. Yeah. Otherwise they will get wet.
Oh, this is the cave. Damn.
I love to go to the cave.
Man, if we were just doing it on our own,
no, I wouldn't dare.
I wouldn't dare either.
Should have taken their shoes, but looking at you guys, man.
Just be very slow and careful, because it can be quite slippery, you know?
Absolutely.
Yeah, definitely not safe with the slippers. Is it deep?
No.
Okay, it's not deep, so good. This is like knee deep.
Shiny.
Yeah.
We leave the shirts?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So this place is huge. Can't even like see it from the camera.
Yeah.
But it's like a dome. And apparently water level during rainy season goes up to 6 foot. So you could never like walk through here. Yeah, it must be the minerals. I think the salts, you know.
Not really metal, but I think this is kind of limestone.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wow, look back. It's so dark.
Okay, whoa. Yeah, I can't see. Look at this.
Imagine going in here without a lamp and then sit down
no way.
There's
not much to step on. The hole's just about the right size for young. This is like National Geographic stuff.
Yeah.
I'm making more suspenseful. That's about waistline level again, this water. I need my right hand to like touch on anything like stones like this. So just for safety.
Oh yeah, cockroach! Eat it, Carlo, eat it! Is this spider web, you think?
What? Which one?
Carlo, this one.
It's spider web.
Definitely spider.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you said there's spider.
Yeah.
Damn.
Very sticky.
We're just literally ducking here because you know, it's very low, very low. It's very muddy. Slippery. Oh, watch out for your head though.
Yeah. How did this piece of wood come down? I wonder.
Someone probably took it here like hundreds of years ago. Food. Man, got it. Ooh, looks like a mushroom. This could easily crack your head open if you're not careful. Just ducking all the way. Because these things are like super low. You know? It actually hit my head already here. It's bleeding. I'm gonna put some cold pressure into them to make sure that I didn't pick up any infection. I've already destroyed my slippers earlier, so I'm now barefooted as well. So muddy.
Seriously, I would never do the 4 hours. 3 hours, I would start to feel uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Like being claustrophobic and being like, can I please get out now?
Yeah. I mean,
2 hours is enough.
I need cold compress to my head as well. It's apparently it's bleeding. Shit. Hello. So it's on our way up now. Get in there. Okay. Okay, another platform here. Alright, we've made it. We just finished the caving. Now we're on our way back. It's very steep, so you're gonna have to put a lot of power so the engine's not struggling. Very good, huh? Oh, kapkun krab. Let's toast it.
Let's toast. Let's have a toast. Do the picture.
Cheers, guys. I could easily stay here probably until the end of my budgeted time, but on the other hand, I also wanted to accomplish my initial intention, which is to cycle all over Southeast Asia. You think he can sense that you're leaving?
Oh, the cat certainly would. She would come in my bungalow and would be like, what the fuck, you know? Oh, it's different now. So, I got everything. I got my cigarettes, tobacco, lighter,
Money and passport.
cell phone.
You're gonna get your deposit back as well, huh?
Yeah. Alright guys, let's hit the road one last time.
Got my passport back.
Can I have a look? Oh, you're British!
Yeah,
Proper?
sure.
The proper one. It was great with you guys.
6-7. Good meeting you, bro. We'll keep in touch. Definitely.
Yeah, this is what social media is for.
Yeah, for sure. Young's gonna get emotional here. Buy this 100 baht, very cheap, and also slippers made in Thailand. What do you think of the quality?
It looks very strong because it's a artificial ingredients, something like this.
Yeah, and it fits.
Yeah,
I think it's perfect.
If it works, it's worth it to stay about a week in Shanghai.
Yeah. That's the the owner of this. No,
that's it.
Owner of this.
Hello. How are you?
This is the trailer, is very interesting. I mean, this is first time in my life that I see somebody doing a big trip with a front with the trailer.
I think I'm gonna struggle today because I haven't done this like in 25 days now, I think.
Thank you for watching. Please join me again in the next episodes where I will slowly make my way over to Laos.